To conclude this program, you will now revise the basic recommendations for using spanners. The first rule is to always select the spanner that fits a fastener snugly. Worn or stretched spanners are dangerous and should be replaced. Select the correct type of spanner that best suits the job. Wherever possible, use a ring spanner or socket spanner for providing powerful force. Use a ratchet for light work only. Never strain the ratchet, as this will damage the mechanism. Final tightening or initial loosening should be done using a T-bar or power bar. Remember to always pull a spanner. If a push is unavoidable, rather bump the spanner with your open hand. And by the way, never strike a normal spanner with a hammer or any other object. Special slogging spanners have been designed which can be struck with hammers, but their application is rarely needed in normal work. Keep your hands free of oil or grease when applying force on any tool. This will prevent a slip and an accident. To conclude this program, we would like to offer you 2 tips. The first is, always keep your spanners in a safe place. Lock your toolbox and look after your investment. You'd be surprised how quickly tools go missing if you don't. Finally, it is urged that you buy best quality spanners. The best are not cheap, but in the long run, they will save you money. Good tools carry life guarantees. And as your livelihood depends on your tools, it makes sense to buy the best. You need only buy them once. You will learn more about basic hand tools by viewing other programs in this series.